Hello, my friends, and good morning. This is Don again at thereasonablerealtor.com. I am, in fact, the Reasonable Realtor. Just wanted to let you know today's article is an article about how to kill a house sale if you're trying to buy a house. Some surefire ways that you can shoot yourself in the foot. At any rate, I would like to encourage you to go to thereasonablerealtor.com and go to today's article, How to Kill Your House Sale as a Buyer. I would like to remind you that we also have a shop there where you can purchase books. Soon we'll be having a couple of um, tutorials available for you to look at for free and a couple available for you to purchase that go a lot deeper into any given subject. So that's thereasonablerealtor.com. I appreciate you being here today. I would like for you to go ahead. It's over here. No, it is still over here. Go ahead and click this little square and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Uh, while you're over at the website, go ahead and subscribe there too. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, I won't be bugging you on email. You will get an email newsletter if you subscribe over at the website. As usual, I would like for you to I would like for you to thumb up this video. It helps me if you do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Down below here, you're going to find links to today's article to make it very easy for you to get there if you're on your computer or I guess even on your phone. You will also find a place where you can leave me a comment. I will answer any comments that you make. I do encourage you to participate. I encourage you to leave me comments about how I can do this job better. I know I'm not very good at YouTube's yet, but I will keep on practicing. At any rate, I thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.